Hi, this is Ms. Vias. I teach 3rd grade at Goleta Elementary with San Angelo ISD. This is going to be the homework for Thursday, October 26, 2017. And you can always scan in the QR code to check your work. Make sure you complete it first and then check your work. Okay, I've done this basic algorithm here. What I want to remind you is some of you like to rush, and you know who you are, and you miss what the operation is. Make sure you know whether you're adding or subtracting. On here, on this basic algorithm, we had 7 and 3 make 10. So I bring down the 0 in the ones place and regroup the 1 in the tens place. Now I've got 6 tens plus 2 tens is 8 tens. 300 plus 100 is 400, so I have the 4 in the hundreds place. This letter B is the one that was tricky for us in class. Okay, we cannot say 7 minus 1 is 6 and 5 minus 1 is 4. You cannot do that. You have to subtract it the way it is, or if the entire number is greater than the one on top, then you move it to the top. But you can't pick and choose which ones you're going to subtract from. So since I don't have enough from 1 to take 7 away, I'm going to go to my neighbor and I'm going to regroup a 10. So I will have 0 tens left here and move that over. You can kind of just move all of that 11 over if you would like and know that there would be 0 there. But if we write it down, at least we know what we're doing. And 11 minus 7 is going to be 4. Now I don't have anything from here to take 5 away, so I'm going to regroup again and get a 10 over here from my 7, which gives me 6. It's actually 600s that are left. And this 10 minus 5 is 5. And 6 minus 3 is 3. So you're going to have to borrow across whenever you are doing this one. It was a little tricky for that one. Then this one, 600 plus 199. You can go ahead and just add that. No regrouping necessary. 603 minus 199, I'm going to have to regroup. And since I don't have anything here to borrow, that means I'm going to have to go to the neighbor. So I can go ahead and just make that 60 into a 59. And when I move 1 over, that's a 10 and a 3, so that makes that 13. Okay? And so we have 13 minus 9, which is your 4. And then you've got 9 minus 9 is 0, and 5 minus 1 is 4. So that's 404. Okay? Then we have 364 plus 157. Again, if you always want to use space 10 blocks or use a number line or a strip diagram, you can use those strategies to help you draw a picture model. You don't always just have to do the basic algorithms. 4 plus 7 is 11. I bring down the 1 in the ones place, regroup the 1 in the tens place. That gives me 7 tens plus 5. So that is 12, and I regroup the 1 again over here in the hundreds place. So that's now 4 and 1 is 521. And then 800 minus 325, what we've been learning in class is you will go ahead and just take this, and if you're going to make this one into a 10, that means you have 1 less here. So 80, 1 less is 79. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 tens minus 2 tens is 7 tens. 700s minus 300s is going to be 400. So that's 475. And that is your homework help for today. Thank you. Hope that helps.